Did your essential app vanish from your iPhone's home screen, leaving you stranded? Let's get that app back. First, we'll explore the app library, your iPhone's automatic app organizer. Swipe all the way to the right on your last home screen page. This reveals categories of all your apps. If your missing app is here, simply tap and hold its icon and select Add to Home Screen. If it's not in the app library, we'll check your settings. Go to Settings, then General, and then iPhone Storage. Scroll through this list. You might see an app that has been offloaded. This means its data has been removed to save space, but the app itself is still available. If you find your missing app here, tap on it and then tap Reinstall App. Still no luck? It's time to reset your home screen layout. This will return all your apps to their default positions, but don't worry, it won't delete them. Go back to Settings, then General, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then choose Reset Home Screen Layout. Your apps will return to their original places, and you can then find and organize them as you like. And there you have it, your missing app is back, and your digital life is organized once more.